Students, let's talk about your chapter textbooks. Now, for data science, the textbook assignment is going to be one of your longest, most engaging, and most mundane assignments. These textbook assignments are designed to enhance your understanding into the course material through targeted readings and comprehensive questions. Now, the important information about your textbooks. First, you're going to need to chunk your reading. Well, what I mean by this is it's not necessary to complete the textbook in a single setting. Break it into manageable sections and revisit throughout the module. This approach will help you improve retention and understanding and keep you from getting burnout. Understand this is a foundational building block to your course. Now, as a foundational course, the ebook emphasizes memorization and repetition, which is most students' least favorite things. To help build a strong knowledge base for long-term success, you must have memorization and repetition. You must develop the understanding of the vocabulary and whatnot. So the textbook is going to test you, make you read, retest you, make you read, retest you, ask you questions, make you read, retest you, and it's going to do this over and over again. And it is mundane and it is repetitious because that is the way that you get root memorization completed. Now, the textbook's role is a critical resource. It's going to provide your insights and knowledge essential to the course. It's going to be completed by completing this assignment. Readings is vital for grasping the material and progressing in subsequent lessons. You will have a huge struggle if you jump over the textbook and just skip it for every single module that builds on it, because every module in this class is scaffolded, which means it builds upon the previous module and the previous knowledge from it. So if you miss a textbook module or a module in a textbook, a module's textbook, then the next module you're going to have to go in and really in-depth yourself into private research, private study outside the class. Now, for this assignment, you're going to read and comprehend. That's the biggest thing. We're going to read the designated chapters or sections and answer the accompanying questions to the best of your ability. You're going to utilize your resources. You're going to use your notes, your textbook, and any additional resources to effectively address the questions. And you're going to get some thoughtful engagement. You're going to take your time with the assignment, ensuring you fully understand the material and provide thoughtful responses to the questions. Now, if you have any questions or difficulties, let me know, but understand that the modules textbook are going to be the biggest piece that takes the most amount of time inside the module. It's also very repetitious. It's also root memorization, which means it is going to be boring. So chunk your reading, chunk the assignment, do it in smaller sections, and revisit it often. It also helps with memorization. Guys, if you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, enjoy the lectures and the readings, the textbooks.